All right, you ready for question number
Go for
two?
it. Go for
So
it.
what are some of the hot trends out there in treatments, treatment devices? And what can make all of our members the most money?
In the world of injectables, I would say Sculptra isn't new. It's been around for a long time, but it's become very, very mainstream. It's an amazing injection that goes safely in the temples and in certain areas. It goes in the booty, the booty's kind of trending, things like that. So I'd say Sculptra is kind of one of the trending products out there. That's a really great product. Sculptra is a product where it takes months to see the result, but the result's freaking amazing. It's just not a quick fix like a lip filler or something like that. But I'd say that's trending. And I'm a huge fan of PDO threads. PDO threads aren't as mainstream as some things, but they're getting there very quickly. I'd say that's the fastest growing thing in the world of injections, just because great customer satisfaction, great results, great profit margins. I'd say those two items in the world of injectables are probably the trending latest and greatest items that you might want to take a peek into and explore. On the technology side, most of the buzz out there is still on body contouring on these devices that basically tone your tummy and they melt your fat in the same breath. Those are really trending. They're latest, they're greatest, they're becoming everywhere. There's one I love out there called Trilift. It's brand spanking new. It lifts your face with technology, but it's so expensive. It's $250,000. So I would say circle back to that one in 2 years when that same price point drops by, $1 zillion, and it's all of a sudden it's going to be $80,000 and a payment of $1,000 a month versus some crazy price point. But that's kind of an amazing device. Sometimes it happens. Things are new to the marketplace and they just give this crazy price because nobody else has patented it yet. And then, as the time goes on, it gets cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. But those are definitely the trending products right now. The cheapest product to get in this industry, as far as, if somebody was on a shoestring budget, is, you start with something like a Botox. You don't have to make your payment for 90 days. Or you start something like a microneedling pen that might be a couple $1,000 versus a crazy $100,000 ticket. I would say those are the most affordable ways to enter the business, because on injections like Botox, you don't have to make the payment for 90 days. And on the pen, either a couple $1,000 you pay cash, you make minimal payments. So I would say those are kind of the entry level products at the most affordable prices.